Berusaha Puan Anis Natasha Rizki Zulkifli.
Belum.
Lepas makan lagi. Mungkin anda kenal saya dengan nama Najah Latif. Kalau kenal saya dengan nama Najah Latif, saya seorang komposer. Saya juga seorang penyanyi. Saya bekerjasama dengan kakak saya lah dalam buat lagu ni. Saya kepada tu, saya juga seorang pelajar. Okey, kita buat santai-santai. And if possible, kita nak buat benda ni jadi interactive. So, I'll be asking questions. Is that okay? Dan saya nak awak jawab. Saya tanya kat saya untuk jawab. Okay, and then share it on Instagram. Okay, achieve lah by today. Okay, number one is to make sure that we can create awareness and importance on good time management. Objective kita, alright. And number three, to sharpen English skills and communication. And then number four,
School of the Art and taking acting and directing minor in the media. So about the time management is time is our goal. So we need to like arrange our time for our academic, either it's academic or co-curriculum or others like maybe our self-time, family.
saya dah tahu tau pattern tak nak jawab, dia tunduk.
Muda lagi, so time management dia lain. So once you are like above 30s like me, the time management include like family time, working times, like juggling between those. And when you take postgraduate, that's another things that you have to look. And also actually you have to do, you need to do, and also something that find to relax yourself. Yeah, like a me time, your family time. So for me, time management, I don't have a strict schedule, but I want to make sure that everything get what they need first.
Okay, that's nice. Apa nak share lagi? Okay, macam tak ada. Macam tak ada. Okay, tak apa, saya teruskan. So, both are...
So, macam tadi, akak ada cakap ataupun awak ada cakap pasal dia tak ada masa spesifik or fixed for each of these items. Kita memang sentiasa kena make time for everything. Okay, doesn't matter whether your rest time, your family time, your entertainment time, there must be time for us to, make sure that everything.
Sometimes we follow the time, sometimes kita tak follow the time. Is that a good thing or a bad thing, in your opinion? Hah? Brisk walk je ke? Terminal, faham? Lagi? Masak?
Batu Pahat untuk pergi ke sekolah hari ini. Okay, that was my schedule daripada sekolah. Alright, did I have the time to study? Yes, I had time to study. But
so, bila saya tengah usahakan proposal defense, settle proposal defense, I had some time sebab saya tak bekerja waktu tu.